I'm a huge fan of Minecraft on the PC, so Minecraft Pocket Edition is a huge disappointment for me. Most of the elements that many gamers, myself included, consider core to the Minecraft experience have been completely removed. There are no enemies, no health or hunger bars, and no crafting or resource gathering. The list of exclusions goes on and on. Instead, gamers are just given access to an empty, lifeless world. How did Mojang manage to release a Minecraft game with no mining or crafting? Anyway, if you're completely new to Minecraft, think about the title as a new kind of block building game. Gamers are plunked down into a randomly generated blocky landscape without any set goals. Players can simply build whatever pops into their imagination. To place blocks, players simply equip it by tapping the bottom menu and then tap where they want it to go. Holding the touchscreen mines out the block and deletes it. Despite all of the cut content, Pocket Edition does do a few things right. The touch controls work great. Simply tapping the touchscreen to place blocks feels completely intuitive, and it's possible to build elaborate structures in just a few minutes. Multiplayer-minded gamers can build with local friends via a local wireless network. Sorry, no online multiplayer is included. But without any enemies or resource gathering, all the motivation to build is stripped away. It makes Pocket Edition less of a game and more of an interactive toy. Most Minecraft players start by building a little hut or wall because they need shelter to survive the night. But now there is no night, and there's no monsters to take shelter from. It makes the entire thing feel a little pointless. Minecraft Pocket Edition misses the mark. Without enemies, item crafting, or resource gathering, the building experience will quickly bore most gamers. Fans of the franchise should probably just stick with the PC version for now. For more on Minecraft, head over to IGN.com.